Hey guys, welcome back to Helpful Solutions. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Android phone that won't turn on. In the first step, force restart. For this, press and hold the power button and volume down button simultaneously for about 20 seconds. This can force the device to reboot. In the next step, charge the battery. For this, connect your phone to a charger using a working cable and adapter. Then let it charge for 30 minutes. If the battery was fully discharged, a red light or battery icon may appear, which indicate charging. In the next step, inspect charging equipment. For this, test your charger and cable with another device to ensure they are functioning. Check your phone's charging port for debris or damage. Lastly, try recovery mode. With the phone off, press and hold the volume up button and the power button simultaneously. Release both buttons when the Android logo appears. Then use the volume buttons to navigate to Reboot System Now and press the power button to select it. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting tips.